Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Now today's video will deal with LED indicators on motorbikes, cars and trailers. Basically anything that runs on 12 or 24 volts. Because once you fit an LED light bulb or even an LED indicator to a motorbike, they will no longer flash properly. And the reason for that is because the LED does not have the resistance of the light bulb that's originally there, and therefore it flashes faster, or it flashes erratically, or it flashes irregularly. So what we need to do, we need to create some resistance in the circuit to allow the flasher unit to flash your indicators properly. Now the way you do that is you go to your local auto store and you buy some LED load resistors. These ones I picked up at my local shop. There's various brands of these, or you can even buy them on eBay. And here's the back of the packet. Now these are Caliber brand and they're 25 watt 12 volt load resistors. There's two in the packet, and in some cases you will get away with just using two, one for the right turn circuit and one for the left turn circuit. Other times, if that's not enough, you might need one of these for each indicator, as in one resistor for each indicator. So let's have a quick look at what the actual problem is with our motorbike that we're dealing with today. Now when we activate the indicator, you can see how it doesn't flash properly. It flashes too fast. Same with this one. Look, in some cases you might be able to get away with this, but this bike is going for registration inspection tomorrow. So this needs to flash at the correct speed for it to be able to pass. So let's fix it. Here's the two indicator cables for that side. This is the positive one and that's the negative one. Now what needs to happen, the black cable needs to join to the negative there, and the red cable needs to join to the positive here. So that creates a resistance across that circuit. Now they do supply these things here, which I'm not usually a big fan of, but in this case I will be using them just to keep things simple. And here's the other circuit for the other indicator. That's the positive power and that's the negative power. Now here's everything connected back up, and this can now be tucked away, or you can cable tie it to something or bolt it to something. Okay, you're supposed to sort of fix it to a metal object to keep it cool, because it does get quite warm when it's being used apparently. That's how it's connected. We'll do the same to the other side and then we'll test it out. It's getting nearly too dark to film, but let's just show you what happens after we install the little resistor. So let's put on the indicator and have a look at that. And let's compare it to this one here where we haven't installed the resistor yet. So this is no resistor. And there's your proper flashing indicator with your resistor. So if this video has helped you out a little bit, or you found it useful at all, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.